If you've ever eaten a meal from a Dutch oven, you know that these iron-walled pots can bring a special flavor to whatever it is you're cooking. In Cave Creek, Arizona, I met up with award-winning Dutch oven caterer Barbara Kennedy to have a Dutch oven cooking lesson and learn how to make a peach cobbler.
Okay, how do we do this? I've never done Dutch oven cooking before, and I've never made a peach cobbler, so this is the first.
You will be great. So first you want to heat up your Dutch oven, and you have the butter melted in the bottom of the oven. And you just want to make sure that it's swirled around nice and coat your oven, and then go ahead and pour the peaches in.
All right, these look great. Just pour them in?
Just pour them in, the whole bowl.
Okay. I can smell these, they smell good.
Those smell great. Okay, and then we're going to take some pineapple, and why don't we grab that spoon and you just sort of scoop these out. There you go.
All right.
You can smooth those, the pineapple, kind of mix it around the top layer of the peaches there.
Okay.
The pineapple adds a little bit of a sweetness to the peaches, and it just really tastes nice.
So what do we need to do next?
Next, we're going to take the flour mixture.
Okay.
And we're just going to sprinkle that around the top.
All right.
And then once you just stir that up like this a little bit, you can cook for a lot of people in a pan like this. So it was real efficient cooking, and they're very durable. Some of them were the complete trail drives all the way across, and this is what they used to cook in. They would use ovens over and over for the same thing, and had much simpler meals than what we cook today. We're a little spoiled.
That's okay.
We sprinkle on raw cinnamon sugar, many pats of butter, and are ready to cook. We surround our pot with hot coals.
This is some hot work.
And let our cobbler cook for an agonizing 45 minutes.
And when you smell it, you know it's done.
All right. Beautiful, my goodness. I'm sure everyone will enjoy it.
We fill up our plates and dig in.
Oh, you got a lot of peach cobbler. You know it's gonna be
You
good.
kept sending me back. That's pretty good.
I want that recipe.